Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider to be the best Turkish beach towels available right now, the Utopia Towels 4-pack. These aren't your average towels, so stick around to find out why they might just be perfect for your next beach day or vacation. Let's start with the basics. This set comes with 4 generously sized beach towels, each measuring 40 by 72 inches. They're crafted from 100% premium cotton, which not only makes them super soft to the touch but also incredibly absorbent. What really sets these towels apart is their quick dry capability. The Turkish cotton used here is known for its ability to soak up water efficiently, and thanks to their lightweight design. These towels dry off surprisingly fast after use. Whether you're lounging by the pool, hitting the beach, or even doing some yoga, these towels are immensely practical. They're designed to be sand-free, which means you won't be carrying half the beach home with you. Plus, they roll up neatly, making them easy to pack for any adventure. To keep these towels in top shape, it's recommended to machine wash them before the first use and then line dry for best results. This not only ensures they stay soft but also helps maintain their absorbency over time. Now, let's briefly compare these with other options out there. While you can find cheaper beach towels, the combination of size, quality, and performance you get with the Utopia Towels 4-pack makes them a standout choice for anyone who values both comfort and durability. In conclusion, if you're in the market for Turkish beach towels that deliver on both style and functionality, the Utopia Towels 4-pack is definitely worth considering. They're stylish, soft, and built to last through countless beach days and vacations. That wraps up our review today. If you're interested in checking out these towels for yourself, I've left a link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.